Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my nursery students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and free from the coronavirus. We are also fine and free from the virus. So, children, today I'm gonna use something that all of our Sunderland teachers are involved in online teaching instead of this coronavirus critical situation, and I hope all of you also will try to take part in our online class. So children, come to the study. You have to remember that in this terrible situation we cannot forget about our study. We have to try to continue our study regularly for our well-being of our future. Okay, now do you remember what was our syllabus, second term syllabus? I am say for you, our syllabus is start from I to P. So I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. This is our second term syllabus, and our previous lesson was I to, our previous lesson was I to M. Today we are going to teach about N related words, but before that I am going to tell you about I and I to M related words, two words. So can you remember what are for I? I for ice cream, I for igloo. I for what? I for ice cream, and I for igloo, and I for ink pot, I for have a look. Children, look at the board and have a look. What are for I? Look, children. I for ink pot. I am writing for you. I for ink pot. I for ink pot. I-N K, P-O-T. What is the spelling of ink pot? I-N-K, P-O-T, pot, ink pot. And this is ink pot. What is this? Ink pot. I-N-K, P-O-T, ink pot. I-N-K, P-O-T, ink pot. And before that, let's try to spell the ice cream spelling. Look, ice cream. What is this? Ice cream. And what is the spelling of ice cream? I-C-E, ice cream. Ice cream. I hope all of you are done the two words with I. So ice cream and ink pot is our two words with I. And now the next, I for iron. I for iron. I for igloo. What is this? Look at the board, children. This is an igloo. I for ice cream, I for ink pot, I for igloo, and I for iron. Now, what is after I? J. Now come to the J. J. Children, can you say the J? Can you see the J in the board? J. What is after I? J. So J for jug. J for jug. What is the spelling of jug? J-U-G, jug. This is a jug. and this is J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. And then J for jog. J for jeep. Can you see a jeep in the board, children? What is this? Jeep. J for jog, J for jeep. J for jog, J for jeep. And then J for juice. J for jog, J for jeep, J for juice. Can you see the picture? Juice. This is a juice. A glass of juice. Then J for joker. Who creates laughs for us? Joker. This is a joker. And J for, children, try to say with me repeatedly. J for jog, J for jog, J for juice, J for joker, and J for jog. J for jog, J for jeep, J for joker, J for juice. Now come to the next. What is after I? J. And what is before J? I. And then we have, now let's try to the next letter. What is the next letter? K. Come to the K. 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 So what are for K? K for key. K for key. Also K for kids. K for kids. K for key. K for kids. Kids like you. K for key and K for kids. Look, all the kids are like you. Very nice kids. And K for kite. Do you see? Can you see the kite picture? Do you like to flying kites? This is kite. K for kite. Okay, children. Then K for key, K for kids, K for kite, and K for what? The another thing. K for knee. Okay, children. Now come to the next word, next letter. What is after K? L. I, J, K, L. So let's try to the L. Look, very nice lemon. In this coronavirus situation, we must have to eat lemons to prevent the coronavirus. So L for lemon, N for lemon, and then L for lion, a big lion. Then L for luck. Nowadays our town is locked down, so L for luck. And then what? L for? Now children, look, L for lock, L for lemon, L for lion. Now come to the M. I, J, K, L. What is the after letter of L? M. So M for mango. Can you see a mango in the board? Mango. M for mango. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for what? Another thing. M for mouse. And M for mug. We need mug to take shower. Okay. Then now children, this was our previous lesson, and I review for you again. And now come to the today's lesson. Now I am going to tell you about N. What is the after letter of M? N. So N for what are for N? Look. N for nose. N for nose. And N for nest. Look at the nest, children. N for nest. And N for nail. Nice nail. Nail. And lastly, N for nib. So today, children, you must try to write 2 words with N in your copy at home. Okay, like this. N for nest, and for nose, like this. Such as in our school we did like this in our HW copy. So this is our today's homework. Write 2 words with N. Nest, nose. N-E-S-T, nest. N-O-S-E, nose. Children, you must say with me repeatedly. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N-O-S-E, nose. N-E-N-O-S-E, nose. And in your copy, nicely you have to write 2 words with N. Nest, nose. I will write the HW for you. Write 2 words with N. And I hope all of you enjoy this lesson, and you might submit the homework, and I will check the homework for you and give remarks. Okay, children, goodbye for today. See you next time.